Hi, Yongxin here. So let's start. Today we are going to discuss an interesting use case, which is chatbot on our WordPress website. So let me just, for example, let me say hi to this chatbot. Hi, how are you? This chatbot will reply me some greetings and then ask me whether I need help. So maybe I can ask, what can you do? So it replies us that he can suggest articles on topics like marketing, answer questions about articles I'm reading, and so summarize the articles for me. So perhaps we try the first one first. Suggest the articles for marketing, please. So for this workflow, to be honest, it's quite slow because it is performing some scripting behind the scenes. So basically, it will do around 60 seconds. Yeah, so in the meantime, maybe we can look at the back end and then see it will trigger some tasks to run. Yeah. So actually, I have written a blog, a page actually, here about this chatbot on guidelines to use our chatbot. So here is some example we are just doing. And when I ask about this question, it will come up some articles, recommended articles on my blog. For example, this one, but the title here is a bit, he amend a bit, yeah, but still the meaning is same. Yeah, okay, you can see the output already. Yeah, so here are the title of my blog, setting up the cookie consent. This one also the same. Yeah, all these are the blog I have. So for example, let me just click one, open a new tab. Yeah, it will open up. Yeah, lead tracking for J4. Okay, so basically this is the chatbot we have lah. So for example, we just click in and then we try another example. Maybe it's like summarize this page, please. Okay, again, we need to wait. Yeah, actually, this time is around 30 seconds if I'm not mistaken. So you can see also this backend also run already. Wait, let me refresh it. Yeah, run already for 20 seconds. Okay, done. Should be done. Yeah. So here is the summary of the blog article. Yeah, I'm reading now. Please wait me for some seconds. Yeah, the content should be okay, but maybe uh make it shorter, easier. Understand that? Try this one. Okay, I think okay, great. Please. Yeah, should be okay. And then it quite fast because I think this for the previous response it uh performs some word scraping, but after we scrape it just summarize the previous response, which is quicker. Okay, so that's it. Yeah, if you want to have more idea about this chatbot, you feel free to go to my website and then have a look. Yeah, so maybe I just scroll a bit and then you can have a look. Okay, so that's it for my introduction of the chatbot. So maybe we need to have some brief look on how I implement this chatbot. So okay, part one is chatbot, and then Okay, this one is when someone type a message like what we just did. It will goes to this router. So this router is powered by a Mistral small model, and then it will classify the user intent into greeting, into suggest article, into asking article, and end conservation. And lastly is the other branch, which is when the user query is out of scope of the chatbot role. For example, for example, I saw someone's type or is Yongsheng on hire. That's actually out of scope for this chatbot to handle, to be honest. So for this, it will just reply, oh, I don't manage this thing, and then I will my role is to suggest you articles, to summarize articles, something like that, and then it will offer you some help. Yeah. So basically, this is a out of scope or other branch. What this does. Okay. So basically, these are very clear enough. So I will skip this one. So basically, these are the uh, four uh, four four category we have lah. Greeting, say goodbye means it identify the user want to leave or already lah. So this one is just now we say out scope thing. Maybe I just have a brief look on the system message. Yeah. Okay. So that's the simple way. Okay. Now let's go to the interesting part, which is the article agent. So mostly the main task we are going to perform. For example, like just now we type suggest article. Okay, no, okay, never mind. It's here. Okay, suggest article. It will return some articles for you to read. So basically, this article agent will handle this task. So it linked to two tools. One of them is recommend articles or suggest articles actually. And then another tool is answer the current article. For example, the task will be summarize article. For example, another example would be like question answering on this article as well. Okay, so that's the brief flow how you use some Aaron router to clearly design the task for the model to reply. So you can have a very control chatbot. Okay, so after we talk about this one, I want to deep dive into the flows of tools. So basically it's these two recommend articles and answer current article. So you can see the blue one is recommend articles, the red one is answer the current articles. So let me have a click on this one. So basically when each agent is the tool is called, it will call this one first. So I employ a multi-agent system to do some keyword planner to generate some keyword search, and then post recommendation. Oh, sorry, I missed one step. This one. So execute workflow. This one execute this one. This workflow. Actions suggest WordPress article, and then this one will search the article based on the keyword we generated, and then output it back to the agent. And from this output, the agent can do some post recommendation. Yeah. So here's a system query as well. You can read. And lastly is after the post recommendation agent did the work, we use this writer agent to compile the writing. So to make sure that the writing is clean, to be in markdown format and citation. Yeah. So that's how I did for the suggesting articles part. And another workflow is even easier. It is question answering on the current article the user is visiting. So for example, this one I use Mr. Large. And then when I use this question answering chain, it will always retrieve the text from the workflow retrieval tool as mentioned here. Yeah, so it will call this one. So this one will call, I should change. Yeah, this one. We will call this workflow, and then to scrape the content of the single post, single WordPress post we are currently at. So after that, we'll pass back the value in the string format like this. Okay, so basically that's how our technical details on how these tools and workflows I just amend a bit. Yeah. So this make this more clear. Yeah, clearer, sorry. Okay. I think that's all for my sharing. So thank you very much. And okay, last thing. Sorry for this. So I missed one thing is that how to install the chatbot on WordPress. So maybe let me to open this one, the admin, WordPress admin, and then we need to go to install this code. But yeah, here you can add new, I think HTML. You can just add a new HTML and then paste your code here. But actually I have already created, so I just reuse my existing code, HTML code. So here it is. And where I get this from is here. So maybe I just type it here as a reference. Reference. Okay, let me put here. Yeah, it's better. Yeah, so basically, after we put this script here, and then we need to change certain configuration. For example, we change this one to chatbot web URL. This one, copy, and then paste it here. Yeah, great. Yeah, so yeah, one thing is important is that you need to make sure your URL structure is like this. Your domain, your subpath, and also your slug. So for example, like just now what I say is this one, domain, subpath, and also the slug. So that's how my JavaScript function to get uh this one, post slug, post type, and also some URL. Yeah, post URL, base URL. Yeah, so after this it will pass in to this one. So depend on your URL structure. Maybe you need to amend this code yourself. Yeah, but this one it is for my usage. Okay, so that's it. After you have copy paste from here. Yeah, actually, oh yeah, this one is CDN embed. So this one you can see this one is CDN. Okay, after you do this update, and it will be done, and then you can just see that you can chat with your Chatbot. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Something like that. And you can see it still respond to us. Yes, yeah, great. So that's the end. Yeah, truly end already lah. So thank you so much and goodbye. See you.